Skeleton watch. A skeleton watch removes material from the dial and movement so the inner workings are fully visible from the front and often from the back as well. You can see the gears turning and every component interacting in real time on your wrist. This style emerged in 18th century Europe among craftsmen who wanted to display their skill rather than hide it. Skeletonizing a movement is genuinely difficult. Removing material without weakening the structure requires extraordinary precision. Historically, these were made for wealthy collectors who valued watchmaking as an art form. Today, they attract people drawn to visible complexity, collectors and designers who see a watch as more than a timekeeping device. They are pieces meant to reward close attention. Because the dial is already visually busy, keep the rest of the outfit simple and understated. It works well with monochrome or neutral clothing, where the watch becomes the focal point. Digital watch. The digital watch arrived in the early 1970s feeling genuinely futuristic. The Hamilton Pulsar, released in 1972, was the world's first fully electronic digital watch, displaying glowing red numerals on demand. Within a few years, the technology became affordable, and brands like Casio and Timex made them in every shape and price range. The digital watch became the watch of a generation. Athletes, students, and workers wore them through the 1980s. They offered things analog watches could not: alarms, countdowns, backlights, and calculators. Casio's G-Shock line later became a global cultural icon. Today, digital watches sit confidently between nostalgia and practicality, worn by people who grew up with them, and by younger buyers who appreciate their straightforwardness and toughness. It suits casual and streetwear outfits best: jeans, cargo pants, hoodies, and sneakers. Avoid pairing it with formal or dressed-up clothing as it tends to clash. Chronograph watch. A chronograph is essentially a watch with a built-in stopwatch function, operated by pushers on the side of the case. The word comes from Greek, meaning time and writing, referring to earliest versions that marked elapsed time on paper. From the 1800s onward, the mechanism found its way into racing, medicine, and aviation. A doctor could time a pulse, a racing driver could track a lap. The dial is usually layered with small subdials tracking elapsed seconds and minutes. It is one of the more complex watch functions available, and that complexity is part of the appeal. Chronographs suit professionals, sports enthusiasts, and collectors equally well, and have remained one of the most consistently popular watch styles for well over a century. The layered dial gives it a sporty yet sophisticated look, making it ideal with casual blazers, jeans, or smart casual outfits. Avoid overly formal settings where a simpler watch would feel more appropriate. Diver's watch. This type was built specifically for going underwater. In 1953, Rolex released the Submariner, and Blancpain followed with the 50 Fathoms, both designed to survive serious water pressure. These watches had screw-down crowns to seal out water, rotating bezels to track time underwater, and luminous hands visible in low light. They were tools first and watches second, relied upon by professional divers and Navy personnel for safety. Over time, people who had never been near the ocean started wearing them too. The diver's watch became one of the most popular everyday styles in the world, valued not just for function but for its bold, capable presence. It pairs naturally with casual clothes and carries a quiet confidence that few other styles match. Pilot watch. Aviation and watchmaking developed alongside each other, and the pilot watch is where they met. Early aviators in the 1910s and 1920s needed to read instruments quickly, often with gloves on. Watchmakers responded with large dials, bold numerals, and oversized crowns that could be operated without removing a glove. Brands like IWC and Breitling supplied these watches to military and commercial pilots through both world wars. Every element existed because it needed to. Nothing was decorative. Today, pilot watches are worn by people who appreciate that utilitarian honesty. The large case and clear dial work equally well with a leather jacket or a business casual shirt, carrying a sense of purpose even far from any cockpit. Smartwatch. The smartwatch is the most recent chapter in wristwatch history. It functions as a wristband computer, tracking health data, receiving notifications, making payments, and in some models making phone calls independently of a phone. Apple released the Apple Watch in 2015 and brought the category into the mainstream, though Garmin and Fitbit had built important groundwork before that. A smartwatch monitors steps, heart rate, sleep, and blood oxygen levels in real time. For many people, it has replaced the traditional watch entirely. Athletes, health-conscious individuals, and professionals who need constant connectivity are its most natural users, but its reach extends well beyond those groups. It continues to evolve faster than any watch category before it. Wear it on its own without stacking bracelets, as the case size already makes a statement. It fits gym wear, casual outfits, and smart casual looks, but rarely suits formal occasions. Analog watch. This is the watch most people picture when they hear the word watch. a round case, a dial with numbers or markers, and 2 or 3 hands moving around a central point, one for hours, one for minutes, sometimes one for seconds. The word analog simply means time is displayed through continuous physical movement rather than digits on a screen. This style goes back centuries to the earliest mechanical clocks mounted on church towers across Europe. When watchmaking moved from the pocket to the wrist in the early 20th century, the analog format came with it and never left. Today it remains the most widely worn watch format across every age group, culture, and price range. A child's first watch is usually analog. So is a collector's most prized possession. It is the foundation on which almost every other watch style is built. It works with almost any outfit, from a formal shirt to a plain t-shirt and jeans. Keep the strap colour close to your shoe or belt colour for a put-together look. Luxury watch. A luxury watch is defined by the standard to which every single element is made. The materials are finer, the finishing is more precise, and the movement is often assembled and decorated entirely by hand. Switzerland is the historic centre of this world, with names like Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin, representing centuries of accumulated craft. These houses produce objects intended to last for generations and pass from parent to child. A luxury watch can represent hundreds of hours of human labour, and that labour is visible in the beveled edges, polished surfaces, and hand-applied details. Once owned only by royalty and heads of state, today they are worn by collectors and professionals who regard a fine watch as a meaningful investment rather than a simple purchase. Let it speak for itself. Avoid heavy jewellery or accessories on the same wrist. It elevates both formal suits and smart casual outfits equally, as long as the overall look is clean and intentional.